Hi, welcome to the Manic MechE. I'm Michelle, a mechanical engineer that grew up and studied in Puerto Rico. This channel started as a way to document my crazy projects. I started with the idea of building an exoskeleton to help my mom, but I since pivoted away from that due to a number of issues. For those of you who know me, you know my mom means the world to me. For those who don't, my mom has a condition that affects her mobility and her independence. I'm building something for her right now that I can't show you just yet, but stay tuned because that's coming soon. All I can say is that she's the reason this channel exists. Everything else you'll see, like crazy ideas, like remote controlled lawnmowers, which you'll be seeing pretty soon, 3D printed parts, and other engineering topics, it all connects to the same idea. Fix what exists, make what doesn't, and have fun along the way. If that sounds like your thing, like and subscribe. Y a todos los puertorriqueños que me escuchan, denle like y suscríbanse. See ya.